Step right up, ladies and gents. We return to our plucky hero, the dashing driving instructor, fresh back from the barber's, getting a new barnet, and he's looking sharper than a badger's tooth. You look at him motoring merrily down the King's Highway, as carefree as a chap on shore leave. But hold the front page. What's that internal jangling? Why, seems the poor fellow is receiving a telephone communique from none other than his mother-in-law. Steady on, sir. Were you about to answer that mobile contraption whilst in command of a motor car? That's no way to keep your nose clean. Why, that's more foolish than juggling custard pies on a unicycle. 6 penalty points, a £200 fine. And say, pal, do you know how many pints of lukewarm ale that could buy you down at the Nag's Head? And no, I don't mean your dear mother-in-law. Now then, our hero pulls over like a true gentleman, shuts off the motor, and prepares his alibi. Sorry, old girl, I was in a tunnel. A capital ruse, sir. We interrupt this regularly scheduled programming for a very important service announcement brought to you by all of us here at Driving Instructor UK. That's right, just me. The holy trinity of tire torque and turn signals. Now listen here, if any of our moving pictures tickle your fancy or teach you a thing or two without putting you in a tailspin, do give that like button a gentle smooch. It lets the algorithm overlords know that we're not just shouting into the void with a traffic cone. But wait, hold on to your hubcaps. Have you heard of YouTube's brand spanking new hype button? Why, it's shinier than a freshly polished bumper and twice as useful. That little rascal helps pint-sized outfits like ours get seen by more fine folk like you, so we can keep fighting the good fight against bad parking and reckless right turns. Now, here's the kicker. You only get 3 hypes a week. That's right, 3. Just like the wheels on your granddad's tricycle before the war. So if you choose to spend one of those precious little nuggets on us, well, we'd be more honored than a dashboard hula girl in a heatwave. Alrighty, back to our regularly scheduled hero of the highway, the titan of the traffic laws, the sultan of the steering, our very own tutor of the tarmac. Remember, your grey matter can only handle one conscious thought at a time. That's why fiddling with your telephone behind the wheel is dafter than a man perming his own hair during a blackout. So be a sport, slip that shiny screen in your pocket, and don't be a complete bally nincompoop. Keep the roads safe, keep the public safe, and above all, keep your license. Driving instructors, unraveling 17 years of watching you driving. Good night, good luck, and good driving.